Okay, let's check if you understood the concept of variable and conditional statements. In this example, Mary and John are a married couple and they both work for the same company. They both get 2,000 euros, therefore their balance, which is the amount of money Mary gets plus the amount of money John gets, is 4,000 euros. The company did just okay this year and they can only promote one of them, and the bonus is 200 euros. What we do from line 10 or from line 9 to line 16 is basically define who is gonna get the promotion. So here, if I define false to Mary promotion and John promotion, there will be two checks or two if statements, and we are basically checking if Mary promotion returns true, please update her salary. And that line here, when I say update her salary, that's what we call reassignment. So bonus here is 200. The current salary from Mary is 2,000. So 2,000 plus 200 is 2,200, and that's going to be assigned to Mary. So that's the way we can update Mary's salary. We do the same in line 15. If John promotion returns true, then John salary is going to be updated. All right, so here you see that none of them is promoted. And if I run that code, Python concept, you see that I return 4,000. So here in line 19, we are printing balance. And balance now is 4,000. Why? Because you see that it's 2,000 plus 2,000, the amount of money each one get. And there was no, let's say, promotion. So Mary did not get promoted, nor John. All right, but as soon as we decide that Mary will be promoted because she was more efficient than John, my question to you is, what's gonna happen when I run that code? So will balance be 4,000 or 4,200 euros? Please do not copy the code. You should be able to just look at it, and if you understood the concept of variables and also conditional statement, you realize what is the value we should get here. So think about it and come back to the answer. When we talked about variables, we said that we can think of them as containers. As balance is composed by Mary and John's salary, we just need to track the values on each of those containers. I will create a container for Mary's salary and I call it Mary, another container for John's salary and I will call it John, and finally a third container called balance. When the Python interpreter goes to the first line, it will just ignore it. Why? Because we have that hash symbol here, and the hash defines comments. Perfect. Lines 2 and 3 assign 2,000 to Mary and John. So I'm gonna call Mary now because I'm gonna refer to our containers. Mary's salary is our container called Mary, John's salary is our container called John. So in line 4, we have now in our container Mary 2,000, in our container John 2,000, and then 4,000 is just assigned to balance. Perfect. Here we just need to care with what happens with Mary, because John returns false. So we has not returns, but false is assigned to John. Therefore, that if statement here or the block of that if statement is not executed. Perfect. We just need to care about that guy. And here Mary promotion is assigned to true. Perfect. Now Mary's salary, which is our Mary container, gets updated or reassigned. And now that 2,000 is no longer there, but now it's assigned to a 2,200 euros value. All right. Finally, the Python executor goes to the Python interpreter goes to line 19 and prints balance. So look at balance. We did not change that value. So meaning that if I run that code now, we still get 4,000. And that's the thing. You should always track and think about what is the current value of your variables. If you had reassigned your balance, let's call it update balance. In that case, balance would be also reassigned, and now you no longer have 4,000 but 4,200. When I run that code, 4,200. Okay, Just one more information about conditional statements. Here, we define that the company can only promote one of them. If I would have said that the company will promote one of them, so we are sure that either Mary or John can be promoted, because in the previous example, it could be that neither Mary nor John would be promoted, right? But now we know that either Mary or John, you get the promotion. All right, if that's the case, we don't need to test twice. We can just check first Mary. If Mary gets the promotion, so her salary gets updated. Else, right, because there is only one more option, John, we get the promotion. And here again, we just need to test once. So if Mary promotion is true, she gets the promotion. If it is false, John, you get the promotion. And that's it. I hope now you fully understand the concepts of variable and conditional statements.